Embracing Thanksgiving, a family tradition. Gathered around bountiful tables adorned with autumn's harvest, the last Thursday in November observes a tradition deeply woven into the American cultural fabric. Thanksgiving Day, an amalgam of history, gratitude, and communal feasting, traces its lineage to the crisp fall of 1621, when the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag tribe celebrated the fruits of a successful harvest. Transcending its colonial roots, Thanksgiving has blossomed into a nationwide embrace of fellowship and thankfulness, officially commemorated by President Abraham Lincoln amid the tumult of the Civil War. As we explore this celebration, we invite readers to contemplate the genesis of this cherished holiday and discover how a historical event molded a modern-day bastion of family, community, and the simple yet profound act of giving thanks. Origins of Thanksgiving Day. Cast your minds back to the 1620s, when the Pilgrims, those early settlers with a taste for new beginnings, celebrated their first successful harvest in the New World. That's what we've all been told, right? But huddle in close. Here's the twist. It wasn't just about the food. It was the camaraderie, the shared relief of surviving a tough year, things every family can resonate with. Flash forward to the time when President Abraham Lincoln, amid civil strife, sought a unifying force. He brandished that autumn celebration as a national day of giving thanks. Imagine a dash of gratitude is the secret ingredient to national harmony. And so, in 1863, with Lincoln's proclamation, Thanksgiving strolled into our lives as a fixed holiday, etching itself into our yearly cycle. Thanksgiving has become synonymous with the warmth of the family hive, a time when homemakers outdo themselves with succulent turkeys and pies that make your heart sing. Tables are set with the finest china, and stories are shared between generations, bridging past with present. It's a time to slow down and appreciate the cozy cocoon of family love. Who celebrates Thanksgiving Day? Around mid-autumn, when the air turns crisp and leaves unfurl their tapestry of color upon the ground, our calendars mark the arrival of a beloved holiday, Thanksgiving. It's a time-honored tradition that sweeps across the United States, ushering families and friends to gather around tables laden with more than just a feast, a bounty of love, gratitude, and togetherness. But who joins in the Thanksgiving celebrations, genuinely making the holiday complete? In countless households, doors swing wide open to welcome not only immediate family, but also extended kin, from grandparents with their troves of stories to cousins thrice removed. It's an ensemble cast where laughter rings loudest at the kiddie table, grandparents bestow soft chuckles and wise words, and every aunt and uncle adds flair to the vibrant family tapestry. The generational blend is as rich as the gravy poured over heaping mashed potatoes. Beyond the familial roots, Thanksgiving embraces friends who've become like kin, affectionately termed family. These chosen bonds, sealed over shared experiences and enduring support, add a kaleidoscopic touch to the traditional familial portrait. College roommates, neighbors who've borrowed more than a cup of sugar, and colleagues who've weathered countless Monday meetings, each find a place at the Thanksgiving table, proving that bloodlines don't have to define family. Still, instead, the shared connection and mutual care do. Traditions and activities on Thanksgiving. When Thanksgiving rolls around, a special kind of magic fills the air, a homey, comforting sort that seems to wrap every household in a collective embrace. It's a time when we come together, leaning into the warmth of shared company and the joy of age-old traditions, crafting memories that stick around like the scent of cinnamon and nutmeg on an excellent November day. Gathering in the kitchen, elbow-deep in flour, while the youngest ones play peekaboo with pie crust, is more than just meal prep. It's an integral part of the Thanksgiving experience. Families bond over buttery rolls, seasoned stuffing, and the inevitable debate about the best turkey preparation method. Many hands make light work, and while peeling potatoes and chopping celery, we're not just preparing a meal, we're cultivating a space for togetherness. Board games, relics of homely entertainment, often find their way to the kitchen table once it's cleared of dishes. Whether Pictionary provokes bouts of laughter or Monopoly tests family alliances, these games become the fabric of our shared history. We hope this information helps. If you want to read more, you can check our blogs below, or visit ABusOnADustyRoad.com. Thank you for watching.